Hey guys, welcome to the level 2 algebra preparation questions. This is question 6 in the series. Today we're going to be looking at these two questions here. So as usual, pause the video, try it by yourself. Alright, I'm hoping you guys have had a chance to look at these two questions and solve it. But basically what we have is we got to find the value of log base 2 of 32. So in other words, we can actually write this as log base 2 of 32 equals 2x. Now, the next step would be to write it in exponential form. So that means this would look like 2x is equal to 32. And from this point, we can kind of know that, well, 2 to the power of 6 is equal to 32. So we can rewrite this as 2 to the power of 6. Sorry, not 6, 5. But late in the afternoon. And because of that, we can actually say x is equal to 5. Now that's one way of doing this. This is the long way of doing it without a graphics calculator or a calculator. If you do have a calculator, what you can do is you can actually do this. So when you have log of base 2 and 32, remember that the log button in your calculator actually uses base 10. But you can still use a shortcut to actually work this out. So what you need to do is write this as log of 32 divided by log of 2 in your calculator, and it should also say the answer as 5. Alternatively, you could also use natural log. It should still work. So if you use ln of 32 divided by ln of 2, that should also equal to 5 as well. Cool, so that's question A. So for question B, we're doing pretty much the same idea. So we can say that this is equal to x, which means square root of 3 to the power of x is equal to 1 over 81. So with this part, guys, if you were to use a calculator, you could straight away go log of 1 over 81. Just make sure you put the brackets for the 1 over 81, and then divide it by log of, open up a bracket, put square root of 3. And hopefully you get an answer. Well, right now I don't have a calculator, so I don't have that answer, but I'm going to try and work this the long way. So the long way, what we have is square root of 3x could be written as 3 to the power of half to the power of x, and then 81 could be written as 3 to the power of something. So 3 squared is 9, then 27 is 3 to the power of 3, so this could be written as 3 to the power of 4. Now because 3 to the power of 4 is in the denominator, we bring it to the numerator and we convert the power as 3 to the power of negative 4. And as for the 3 to the power of half times, because it's powers of powers, we can write this as 3 to the power of half multiplied by x. Which means in the next line we're going to have 3 to the power of x over 2, which equals 3 to the power of negative 4. And because the bases are the same, we can say x over 2 equals negative 4. Therefore, x is equal to negative 4 times 2, x is equal to negative 8. And now, I'm hoping that when you put this in the graphics calculator, you actually end up with negative 8. Cool, that's basically it for the short little session, guys. If you have any questions, pop it in the comments below. As usual, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.